Hey guys, Ollie here from Local Knowledge, and whenever we get new Yeti gear at the office, we're always extra stoked. In fact, most of the guys can't wait to rip it open and see what it is. This is something I've been waiting for a long time. We've got obviously a bunch of Yetis, we use them all the time. Back in the day, there used to be a very cheap cooler that was made like this, and I would go through 2 of them a year. But the form factor of it was so awesome because you could stack adult beverages in here very high, like 3, and you have this compact little deal that you can just roll around. You can even throw it in the back of the wife's car. You don't have to have your pickup truck or whatever. And this is just the Yeti version. This is the new Roadie 48 from Yeti. And it's built like a Yeti. It's got the new latches that they have on some of the other hard coolers that are bitchin'. Got the Yeti gasket, so you know it's gonna hold ice okay. They've done away with the baskets, it looks like, and now you're getting these clear tubs. Keep your sandwich, your burrito, whatever dry. And then it's just got a ton of depth. You can hold, I don't even know how many cold drinks in here. The other thing that I'll be using this for is, because it's so deep, I can stack up my dead flying fish and put several ice packs in with them. I use the Yeti soft cooler for that, but I can really only get like 9 baits in there. I could get 24 baits in here with plenty of ice to keep them frozen. Some of the other stuff that I like about this, the wheels. All those other coolers have thin plastic rotomolded wheels. You know what I'm talking about. They get flat spots, they tear off and all that. This is a hard plastic wheel with a real rubber tire on it, and it's got bearings. So the thing just spins effortlessly, right? Got the Yeti drain plug on the back, this big monster. Not gonna have any trouble draining your cooler or it leaking for that matter. It's beefy as hell. And I mean, that's just the theme across this whole thing. This handle, super rigid, super beefy, bolted into the back of the cooler. I had this thing down on the floor earlier before we were shooting. It makes a backrest. You can literally roll this thing to a game or whatever, sit here, lean back up against the handle. Of course, it's a Yeti. You don't have to worry about it breaking. Check them out, yeti.com, another great product from our friends over there. And please, if you like this content, subscribe to our YouTube channel and also leave us a comment and let us know what you'd like to see from us in the future. Thanks so much. We'll see you guys soon.